Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Can we use ghee for weight loss? If you're trying to lose weight, we are sure that you have shunned fat from your diet, and the first thing to go off is ghee, which is also called as clarified butter. What if we tell you that the ghee that you have ditched does not only have plenty of nutritional health benefits but also help you to lose weight? Yes, you heard that right. Ghee is no culprit for those extra kilos, rather, it can help you to get rid of that extra weight. Ghee is mostly used in Indian dishes, which consist of 99.9% fat and 1% moisture, with some fat soluble vitamins and charred milk protein fractions. It is prepared with saturated fat and thus it does not get spoiled when kept at room temperature. When churned butter is clarified, it renders ghee. It can made using buffalo, cow, sheep and goat milk. Mostly it is made using cow's milk. The ghee made at home by clarification of milk fats is called desi ghee. The homemade ghee stays good for longer because of the presence of phospholipids, which are missing in commercially made ghee. As per Ayurveda, ghee contributes to longevity and protects the body from many diseases. Apart from that, it is believed that ghee nourishes and lubricates the joints and improves the absorption of fat soluble nutrients. 1 to 2 small spoons of ghee is the advisable amount daily. It is advised to have ghee if you are trying to lose weight, mainly because it is rich in amino acids and helps to shrink the size of all fat cells. Since ghee is rich in omega 3 fats and omega 6, it can be great for weight loss. Omega 6 fats have shown to increase the lean body mass while reducing the fat mass. Experts have also found that ghee helps in mobilizing fat cells to be burned for the energy. It is packed with essential amino acids that can shrink the size of the fat cells. Adding ghee can be beneficial if your body accumulates fat quickly. Finally, ghee has many nutritional benefits and can help you in weight loss, but anything in excess is bad, and same goes for ghee. It should be consumed in moderation as it is high in saturated fats. It's okay to consume 1 to 2 tablespoons of ghee every day to yield the maximum benefits. Thanks for watching our video and please don't forget to subscribe our channel.